Today we are going to talk about the coordinate plane. So here you have a horizontal number line, horizontal, and you have a vertical number line, vertical. Together, those come together to make the coordinate plane. Now, the x-axis goes from left to right, izquierda a la derecha, and the y-axis goes from down to up, or bottom to top. In the middle, you have the origin. That is where you always start. It is 0, 0 for the x and the y coordinate, and that is called an ordered pair. You have the x coordinate always comes first, and the y coordinate comes second. Now the coordinate plane has 4 parts. They are called quadrants. So we always start from the top right, and we count like a C. So you have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Now let's graph some points. For the x-coordinate, you go left or right, and for the y-coordinate, you go up or down. So 2, 3. For the x, because it is positive, you go to the right 2, and the y is positive, so you go up 3, and then you put your dot. And that is your point. For negative 3, 1. Because it is negative, you go to the left 3, and 1 is positive, so you go up 1 and put your dot, and that is your point. For negative 2, negative 2. The x is negative, so you go to the left, and then the y coordinate is negative, so you go down, and you put your point. Now you have 1, negative 1, so you go to the right 1, and you go down 1 to put your point. For 3, 0, the x-coordinate, you go to the right 3, and because it is 0, you do not go up or down, so you stay right on the x-axis. For 0, negative 3, you do not go left or right, so you start right in the middle, and then you go down 3 along the y. Now remember, you always start at the origin, right in the middle, and then you go left or right for x, and then up or down for y. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.